Discover how your home can be sold fast in any condition, even without renovation. Do you think you have an ugly house that cannot sell? You are wrong. Listen, here's the most common problem in selling your home. Most property agents stay away from ugly homes. If your home is not nicely renovated, has a weird layout, is far away from the MRT, schools or supermarkets, or even has a weird smell, you could be stuck with it for a long time. Stop getting shortchanged on your apartment by lowball buyers. We can fix this. We're Edmund Xavier, property agents with unique strategies to sell homes that are hard to sell. Here's one of our recent cases. This client's home had an extremely odd layout and was rundown and dirty. As expected, hardly any property agents took up the challenge, but we did. In less than 60 days, we managed to sell the house at his ideal price. Now, how do we do it? We customized a set of unique solutions from our 6 power strategies to accelerate your home sale at your key price. From customized video walkthroughs to advertising your home using advanced online marketing methods. You get full exposure on social media with our back-end digital marketing team. We have all grounds covered at all possible angles. If you are ready to sell, we can fix this together. Our time is limited, and if you want to sell your home at a great price, book a free and exclusive 30-minute one-on-one consultation with Edmund Xavier today.